Greetings friends, it's Denise again with Denise's Dancing Paintbrush, and today I've got another watercolor technique. Now this one is pretty interesting because what happens is a texture. To build this plastic wrap texture, you need to use a lot of water and a lot of color, or it won't show up very much. And as you can see, I'm just painting water on my paper here. This is a project I did for a friend of mine last year that he wanted to have fans made out of these Mexican bingo cards, and so I made several dozen of them. And this one I used an interesting plastic wrap background technique. Now, as you can see, I'm really not painting fast enough, and it will show in the final plastic wrap. I should have put the plastic on at quarters of the paper, not half. But that's okay. This did do a little bit of what it was supposed to. So you just get the plastic wrap out and put it on the wet paint and leave it for about 5 minutes. And you can actually go on painting the rest of the picture or more of the picture while you're waiting for the plastic wrap to do its thing and put on more plastic wrap. It only takes about 5 minutes to set, to actually do its little crinkly thing that it does. So here it looks like I've got enough water, but I'm taking too much time. I should have put the plastic on already. I have a more dramatic texture if I had. You'll see. I'm taking too long. I'm actually trying my best to tear the plastic from the roll. I should have had it already torn off before I began painting, but here we go. Now you want to get lots of wrinkles in the plastic wrap. That's what makes your great texture. And every place that the plastic has actually touched the paper, it leaves an interesting darker texture than the places that aren't touching the wrinkles. Now I have to set it to one side and give it a few minutes. I shouldn't have taken a peek. Taking a peek just removes some of that texture. So I'm going to walk away and I'm going to come back in about 5 minutes. And there, I took it off, and as you can see, the texture isn't as dramatic as I wanted. Usually it's much darker. But I went on to paint it, and here's the texture in the finished fan that I created. You can see little waves in the blue and purple background. And it was just subtle enough, I think, that created an interesting effect for a background. It works great if you're painting an undersea scene or a mountain scene. I hope you enjoyed my little texture, and I hope you come again. I have lots of videos I try to upload every week. Do subscribe. Check out my links below. Bye, everyone. Have a great day.